Sorry guys, it stopped recording, so this is part 2, which is probably going to be like 1 or 2 minutes long. So, watch the last video, if it uploads. Guys, let's get some peeps. Also, the last person is Sadie! No way. No 1% of people would have actually found him.
I'm a great sneaker. I hid inside a tractor. I didn't even look there.
Round 4! My guy, you cannot get in the tree. This time, Sam's it. Hey, yo, chill. Sam, just be sure. When you shoot, make sure to pick up the bullet. Stop. Hey.
Go.
No, hey, yo, those are mine. No trees. No trees. All right, we're gonna go hide now.
I'm sorry. Should we go into the marsh?
Shh, there are snakes in there, so I don't know if we should. What? All right, we're gonna go hide now.
In there? I'm not around it. Behind it.
Like, wait. No way. Perfect. Right here. Is there an ant here? Okay, so crouch right here. I got a little peephole. Oh shit!
I'll be
Oh, I see him. He's over there. There he is.
Man, he literally looked straight at us. That was freaky.
Okay.
He's in Ezekiel. Ezekiel's right there. Take view of it. Take view. Video it.
Oh no.
Jesus!
Oh crap! I'm running! Oh my. Don't let me use. I died trying to get the bullets. Guys, here, Sam, can I have that real quick? Sam, can I have that real quick? He's the imposter. Alright? Wait. So you need a tag. So basically, you need to choose which one is gonna win. So Ezekiel's got 2, I've got 0, you got 0, and Lucas got 1. So that means that
Act like you have the gun.
act like I have no idea, guys, what that means. Like this. Hi, Sarah. Hi. You know where Ezekiel is?
I know.
Where?
See? That way.
Did you help him?
No, Sarah did though. My guy, did you lose all the bullets? My guy. Okay, here, can I?
Okay, you do.
It's time. I think I know who I want to win.
Act like you're shooting.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, give it to me.
No. Alright. So the game will end in 1 minute from this.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Thank you guys so much. All right.
Guys, you gotta go soon, so.
Bye.
Guys, hope you enjoyed this. And Luke, Ezekiel just left. Sam, me. He lost all my bullets.
Oh, sorry.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this probably first ever video of PG5. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.